the begging strip? Kayza, how bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? How bad? How bad? Can you show me how bad? Okay, there you go. What about you, Abby? How bad do you want it? How bad? How bad do you want it? Get back, Kayla. Hey. How bad do you want it? Is this what you want? How high will you jump? Can I just break off a piece and give it to you? I might want to put that down. You're going to bite my hand off. There's more. What would you do for it? Well, I think Abby's deserved it. What do you think, Kayla? Do you think so too? Yeah, I think she's deserved it. She's gonna bite my hand off though. No, not for Kayla. Not for Kayla.